Everyone knows the glorious story of the child born in a faraway manger. Well, this isn't that story. This is Monty Python's all-new Life of Brian.
They call Brian.
He was born into the golden age of Roman rule.
Do we have any crucifixions today?
139, sir. Special celebration.
It was a time of miracles.
I was blind, and now I can see.
Friendly persuasion, and gracious invaders. But there was just one thing on everyone's mind.
Sex, 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 that's all they think about her.
Oh dear.
In those days, getting stoned wasn't against the law. It was the law. And things looked bad for the people of Jerusalem.
Still a few crosses left.
Until Brian dropped in. He was a born leader.
Brothers, brothers, we should be struggling together. We are.
A potential martyr.
What would they do to me? Oh, you'll probably get away with crucifixion.
Crucifixion? Yeah. First offense.
And his mother's joy.
You've been telling them?
They think I'm the Messiah, Mum.
The Messiah! There's no Messiah in here. There's a mess all right, but no Messiah.
And now, it's up to Brian to deliver a despairing nation from the throes of oppression. Tough luck, Jerusalem. This is the life of Brian. Just when you thought you were saved. It's Monty Python's Life of Brian. He wasn't the Messiah. He was a very naughty boy.
Terrific race, the Romans. Terrific.